Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance to receive money. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified, as this is a crucial initial step for all transactions. Next, you will navigate to the deposit section within your wallet. It is essential to choose the exact cryptocurrency you expect to receive and the corresponding network to prevent any loss of funds. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure transfer process. To find your unique deposit address, log into your Binance account and locate the deposit option, usually found under your wallet or funds section. From there, you must select the precise cryptocurrency you wish to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crucially, choose the correct network, like BEP2, ERC20, or TRC20, as selecting the wrong one could result in permanent loss of your funds. Once you have your deposit address and selected network, it is time to share this information with the person sending you money. Copy the full address precisely, ensuring no characters are missed. Then, communicate both the address and the network, for instance, Ethereum on the ERC20 network, to the sender. Emphasize the importance of double-checking these details to prevent any errors during the transaction. After the sender initiates the transfer, you can monitor your Binance Spot wallet for the incoming funds. The time it takes for the money to appear can vary, but it usually happens within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion and the number of required confirmations. Once the transaction is confirmed, your balance will update, and you can view the details in your transaction history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.